If you want to see how I'm retwisting my locks using Vaseline Brazil, just keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine. I'm back at it with another video, and today's video is going to be a hair video. I'm going to retwist my front dreadlocks. I did retwisted my dreadlocks like 2 weeks ago, something like that. Today my hair looking a little bit crazy, and I said maybe I might as well show you guys how I retwist my locks and the products that I'm using. You guys been asking me a lot of questions. How do I take care of my hair? How do I retwist my locks? I do use the Palmer method to retwist my locks, other interlock and other just let the hair grow. The product that I'm going to use to retwist my locks today is Vaseline Brazil, which I use it from time to time. I usually use the JAZGANG beeswax, but I ran out and nothing is left to use today. I'm gonna use DIY rose water. There's still roses in there. All the nutrients are still there, and I just made this one. It was just water and essential oils. If you want to see a video how to make DIY rose water, just leave me a comment down below. I will definitely make a video for you guys. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave me a comment and tell me which other video you'd like to see next. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you turn the notification bell so you're notified whenever I put a new video. Let's get started with the video. This is how my front hair looks like today. The growth is about 1/4 of an inch. At the back it looks okay. There's not so much growth. It's only at the front. I'm gonna spray rose water into my hair all around it. I'm gonna take coconut oil and moisturize my locks. Feels good. I'm gonna comb it out. And I'm gonna take my Vaseline and start retwisting. I really love Vaseline, how it makes my hair grow. I don't use it quite often, but I really love it. It does wonders. You should try, guys. I use Vaseline for my brows, my edges. The growth is so much at the front compared to the back of my head. When I'm busy or lazy to go to the salon, I usually get my hair done by myself. And the other thing is that I really enjoy to style myself, like I really do, big time. And I really love using rose water for my hair because it promotes hair growth and it prevents your hair from getting dandruff. And now it's ready to go to the dryer for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to untwist the hair. Now it looks fresh. I'm going to lay my edges a little bit. I don't have so much edges, but I'm gonna lay them anyway. And I'm gonna style a cute little style. I'm gonna make like a bun, top bun. Just a simple, cute little style. Because I'm going to dinner, I gotta look fresh. Here you have it. Yeah, brighter than this thing on my arm, baby. It's a party every time you come around, baby. Now if you're down, baby, I can be the ground, baby. Hit me running. Ain't nothing looking better than when I see you coming. Ain't another feeling better than when. Thanks for watching, guys.